Officer Chandler here this morning with the recruiting division. We promised you guys a virtual ride along, and that is what we're going to bring you. We are waiting for MPO Gretsinger to get out of lineup, and we will be in the car with her. Are you excited? Because I am. Let's go. All right, guys, she had just got out of lineup. Let's go see what she's up to. MPO Gretsinger.
Morning.
Are you ready for today?
Let's do it.
All right.
I'm assigned to District 31 in North Patrol. District 31 runs from roughly Denby Boulevard and Warwick Boulevard down to Boxley and Warwick, and anything from Warwick over to the James River. I have been on the department for 21 years and 5 months. I joined in May of 2002. I do. I still enjoy it very much. I really am a person that cannot sit in a cubicle or have a daily routine that doesn't change. I like that every day I come to work and it's something different. The unpredictability of what kind of day we'll have, I kind of thrive on that. Adrenaline rushes and being able to interact with people and not just be chained to a desk. So during my career here, I have been in property crimes, which was investigating burglaries, auto theft, large quantity larcenies, things of that nature. And then I spent a couple years, I think 5 years, in the Special Victims Unit, where I investigated sex crimes and crimes against children. And from there, I went into the SRO, the School Resource Unit, where I was the SRO at Gildersleeve Middle School and then Crittenden Middle School. And after COVID, when COVID closed the schools, they put us SROs back on the street. And I realized pretty quickly that I had missed the day-to-day out here on the street and dealing with the public. So when schools reopened, I opted to stay on patrol. So a normal day starts at about 6:45. I always try to get to line up 10 to 15 minutes early to get any administrative duties knocked out. And just an example, you know, if you're on time, you're late. If you're 10 minutes early, you're on time. And I've just kind of operated that way my whole career. I sign out my equipment for the day. If I'm taking any kick stops or other auxiliary equipment with me, make sure everyone's got their administrative stuff in check, power DMS and all that, and then we hit the road. In 10-4 route from Fort Eustis, I am Jefferson. I do. My husband and I together have 5 children. Our oldest is turning 26 in 2 days, and our youngest is 12. I have 3 girls, 2 boys. Let's see, my oldest is living in Richmond. Our 19-year-old son is at college at Mary Washington University. I've got a senior in high school, a junior in high school, and a 7th grader. I do, actually. I have a wonderful dog named Wyatt. Wyatt is a 115-pound, 2-year-old mutt who is just the light of my days off. I have a cat named Smith. She had a brother named Weston, but he passed away. And then at our house, we have 4 goats. We have a turkey, about 20 chickens, and 4 ducks right now on our little farm.
I just want to thank you guys for tuning into our virtual ride along. I hope you guys enjoyed it with MPO Gretsinger. She was awesome. We thank you again. It's going to be more to come, so stay tuned.